Hello, my name is Tom Ray. I'm the e-learning and content manager here at eMaint Fluke. And today I'm going to show you how we schedule work in eMaint X5. Here on my screen is my work order entity. Work comes into eMaint in many different ways. Work can come in through requests, from machine test repairs. No matter what, we have to find a way to actually schedule that work out to our technicians. There are many ways we can do it. We can schedule the work directly from the work order itself. But I'm going to show you the easiest way, and that's by using our scheduler entity that's built into X5. From the scheduler, you can see I've done some extra things here on my schedule that you may not have on yours. For example, what I've done is in the middle here, you see the colors, the yellow, the green, and the gray. If I look at my color legend up here on the top right, it'll tell you what those colors indicate. The green indicates it's a closed work order. Gray indicates the technician marked it as complete and someone needs to come in and close it, and the yellowish color means it's an open work order. Conversely, the work orders themselves are also color coded here, and those work orders are unassigned work that we see on the right hand side here. These color codes also correspond to those color legend items here, and these are the statuses of the work orders, what type of work order came into the system. So to assign work, it's pretty simple. We have three different views. We're currently looking at the daily view, and the red line is the current time. We could do this from a daily view. We could look at it as a weekly view, or we could look at it as a monthly view. The view you're going to use the most is going to be your daily view. So we're going to go back from the month view to our daily view, and we're going to take a look at how easy it is to schedule work and to reassign work as well. So we have here some overdue work orders at the top here, overdue 5, and these are all coming from machine test results. So these were automatically created based on predictive maintenance. And the work order type is predictive, that's why it's blue. To assign this work to someone, all we have to do is drag it and drop it to the person that we want to do the work and the time we want them to complete the work. When you drop it there, you'll notice the lines here inside of this item, this work order. This means it's not published yet. So you could visually take all of your work orders and put them on the scheduler here and get it the way you like it. And once it's the way you like it, you can click your publish button and publish the day or everything you've done. I'm going to click publish all. And when I click publish all and click the yes button, as soon as this changes to this yellow color, that means if they were using the mobile solution for X5 or X5 mobile, at this very point, they would now see the work order in their mobile, which is kind of what I'm going to show you right now. So right now what we're going to do is we have a machine down work order here on Thursday, which is today. It's red, which means it's an emergency. It's for the invisible jet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in real quick here to X5 Mobile, and I'm going to log in as the user of Diana Prince. So we're going to show you that. This is what the user Diana sees right now. Now, since this is something that only she can do, I'm going to quickly assign this work to her, and then we can see how quickly she would see that as a work order in the system. So I'm going to take this machine down up on my X5 screen, drag it over to her, and then I'm going to click the publish button, and then she should see this work order in the system relatively quickly. Now, she got the notification. If she just pulls down the screen, there's the work order that was just created for her. Also, we know it's noisy in most manufacturing environments, so we have the notifications turned on. So if you simply pull down, you can see the notification that was a new work order was assigned to you. In case it was too noisy and you couldn't hear it, you can always pull down your notifications and see it that way. So to sum up this, we have many different ways in which we can assign work. The easiest way to assign work inside of X5 is using your scheduler, because it's simply drag and drop, and it makes things very easy for you to schedule your work to your technicians. Thank you.